Are you looking for a budget-friendly digital camera without sacrificing image quality? In this video, we've rounded up the 8 best affordable digital cameras on Amazon for 2026, with options for every budget and skill level. Stay until the end because the #1 pick offers outstanding value for the price. And, as always, you'll find all the updated links in the description below. Starting off this list at number 8, we have the Zio UPT 4K digital camera, a surprisingly affordable option that's clearly designed for casual users, beginners, and anyone who wants something more fun and convenient than constantly using a smartphone. One of the first things you'll notice is its compact size, which makes it incredibly easy to carry around, whether you're traveling, attending family events, or simply capturing everyday moments. The flip screen is a really useful addition, especially if you enjoy taking selfies, recording short videos, or creating content for social media. It also comes with autofocus, so you don't have to spend time adjusting settings manually every time you want to take a picture. Another nice touch is the inclusion of extra batteries, meaning you can shoot for longer without worrying about running out of power during the day. While professional photographers will probably want something more advanced, for first-time users or budget-conscious buyers looking for an easy-to-use camera, this model earns its place thanks to its combination of portability, convenience, and value. Coming in at number 7 is this 4K digital camera, and it's a great example of a budget-friendly model that tries to give beginners a more traditional photography experience. Unlike ultra-compact cameras, this one features a DSLR-style design that feels more comfortable in the hand, especially during longer shooting sessions. That larger grip can make a real difference if you're taking photos on vacations, school events, or family gatherings. The 180-degree flip screen is another standout feature because it makes self-recording much easier for aspiring vloggers or anyone creating content for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. It also includes autofocus, which helps keep subjects sharp without constantly adjusting settings, making the overall experience far less intimidating for first-time users. Extras like the included memory card and accessories mean you can start shooting right out of the box. Image quality won't rival premium cameras, but for newcomers looking for an affordable all-in-one package with a familiar camera feel, this model deserves a solid spot in the ranking. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe. We post similar content every day. At number 6, we have this feature-packed 8K digital camera, a model aimed squarely at content creators and users who want more connectivity without spending a fortune. One of its biggest advantages is the built-in Wi-Fi support, which makes transferring photos and videos to your phone incredibly quick. Instead of dealing with cables or memory cards every time, you can share content almost instantly, something social media users will definitely appreciate. The dual-lens setup also adds extra versatility, allowing you to switch more naturally between standard shots and self-recording. That's especially useful if you regularly film vlogs, travel diaries, or behind-the-scenes clips. The flip screen and autofocus system further simplify the experience, so even beginners can capture usable footage with minimal effort. It's also nice to see extras like 2 batteries and a memory card included, helping you get started right away. While serious enthusiasts may eventually upgrade to higher-end gear, this camera stands out for delivering modern features and creator-friendly convenience at a very accessible price point. Halfway through the ranking at number 5, we have something completely different, the Kondo QCOM Ego. If you're tired of taking standard photos and want a camera that delivers a much more immersive experience, this model is definitely worth a look. What makes it unique is its ability to capture true 3D photos and videos, allowing memories to feel far more lifelike when viewed on compatible devices. For travel enthusiasts, family moments, or anyone who enjoys experimenting with creative photography, that added sense of depth can make everyday scenes feel genuinely special. Another big advantage is its compact, pocket-friendly design, so carrying it around is effortless compared to larger camera systems. The built-in stabilization also helps produce smoother footage while walking or filming on the go, which is especially useful during vacations or outdoor adventures. Admittedly, this isn't the camera for everyone, since getting the most out of its 3D capabilities requires specific viewing methods. However, for users looking for a fresh and innovative way to capture memories, the QCOM Ego easily earns its spot thanks to its originality and fun factor. In 4th place, we have the Ricoh GR3X, a camera that has built a loyal following among street photographers, travelers, and anyone who values image quality without carrying a bulky setup. What makes this model so appealing is its ability to slip into a jacket pocket, while still delivering results that feel far more serious than what you'd expect from such a compact body. The large APS-C sensor captures impressive detail, natural colors, and excellent low-light performance, making it ideal for city walks, travel photography, everyday moments, or spontaneous shots that would otherwise be missed. The fixed lens may seem limiting at first, but many photographers actually love how it encourages a more creative and intentional shooting style. Plus, the fast startup time means you're always ready when something interesting happens. It's definitely more expensive than the entry-level options on this list, and it's aimed at enthusiasts rather than complete beginners. Still, if portability and premium image quality are your top priorities, the GR3 easily deserves this high ranking. Remember that all the links are in the description. You can compare prices and read customer reviews. Taking the third spot is the Dulavulu 4K digital camera, and this is one of those models that makes a lot of sense for people stepping into photography or content creation for the first time. Rather than overwhelming users with complicated controls, it focuses on simplicity and everyday usability. The autofocus system helps keep subjects sharp with very little effort, which is perfect for capturing family memories, travel adventures, school events, or casual vlogs. One feature many users will appreciate is the flip screen, since it allows you to frame yourself easily when recording videos or taking selfies. That makes it particularly appealing for YouTubers, TikTok creators, and anyone who regularly shares content online. The camera also includes useful extras like 2 batteries and a memory card, so you can start shooting immediately without buying additional accessories. Of course, advanced photographers may eventually outgrow it, but for beginners looking for an affordable, easy-to-use camera that covers all the basics surprisingly well, the Dulavulu offers excellent value and comfortably earns its place near the top of this ranking. In second place, we have the Kodak Pixpro FZ45, and for many people, this will be the camera that strikes the perfect balance between simplicity, portability, and trusted brand reliability. Unlike some of the ultra-cheap options that can feel like gadgets, the Pixpro delivers a more refined experience that's ideal for everyday photography. Its compact size makes it incredibly easy to slip into a pocket or bag, so it's always ready for vacations, birthdays, family gatherings, or spontaneous moments during the day. The 4x optical zoom is especially useful because it lets you get closer to your subject without sacrificing image quality, something smartphones still struggle with in many situations. Another reason people love this camera is how straightforward it is to use. You can hand it to almost anyone, from kids to grandparents, and they'll quickly feel comfortable taking pictures. While it doesn't offer advanced creator features like flip screens or extensive manual controls, that's precisely part of its appeal. For users who simply want an affordable, dependable point-and-shoot camera that focuses on capturing memories with minimal fuss, the Kodak Pixpro FZ45 is an outstanding choice and easily earns this runner-up position. And finally, taking the #1 spot is the Kodak Pixpro FZ55. And for most people searching for an affordable digital camera in 2026, this is simply the option that makes the most sense. What really sets it apart is how well it balances price, portability, ease of use, and overall image quality. It's small enough to carry everywhere, yet it feels like a genuine camera rather than just a cheap gadget. The 5x optical zoom gives you extra flexibility when photographing landscapes, family gatherings, vacations, or everyday moments, allowing you to get closer to your subject without relying on digital zoom. Another major advantage is its straightforward operation. You don't need photography experience to start getting good results, making it ideal for beginners, teenagers, travelers, or even anyone looking for a reliable alternative to smartphone photography. Unlike many budget cameras that focus on flashy features, the FZ55 concentrates on delivering a simple, dependable shooting experience, and that's exactly why it stands above the competition. If you're looking for the best combination of affordability, convenience, and trusted performance, this is the camera we'd recommend to most buyers.